Abacus 5 complement. So today we are going to see the 5 complement for in abacus. So before that, before learning about the plus 5 complement, I will introduce about the friend numbers. So friend numbers of 5, 1 and 4 are friend numbers for each other because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Similarly, 4 is a friend of 1. So because 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, 2 and 3 are friend numbers to each other because either 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 both are equal to 5. Now we will see the plus 5 complement. Now we will make a 4. This is your tool. So we will always operate the lower beads addition using the left hand thumb finger. So I'm making a 4. Now I want to add 1 to this. Now there are no sufficient beads. So what you will do, each value of the upper bead is 5. So we will bring down this 5. So it is plus 5 minus 4. This plus 5 minus 4, we can also say it as 5 down, 4 down. Now again I'm making a 4 in my tool. I want to add 2. So to add 2 to this 4, I will make use of plus 5's complement. So it is plus 5 minus 3. Now again, I'm removing this 6. Now I'm making a 4 again in my tool. Now to understand how to add 3 to this, so it is plus 5 minus 2. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Next if you see, I'm making a 4 in my tool. To add 4, to do plus 4, it will be plus 5 minus 1. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is about plus 5's complement in abacus. Now let us see about minus 5's complement in abacus. Minus 5's complement in abacus. So minus 1 is equal to plus 4 minus 5. Minus 2 is equal to plus 3 minus 5. So we know that 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. The same thing in abacus, it is written as minus 1 is equal to plus 4 minus 5. Similarly, minus 2 is equal to plus 3 minus 5. Similarly, minus 3 is equal to plus 2 minus 5. Minus 4 is equal to plus 1 minus 5. Now, I'm making to understand this concept throughout my tool. I'm going to make a 5 only. So, I'm making a 5. So, subtract 1 to do minus 1. I will do plus 4 minus 5. This means 4 up, 5 up. Similarly, I'm making a 5. Now to subtract 2, I will do it is given plus 3 minus 5. So I can also say 3 up, 5 up. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Now I'm making a 5. Now I want to subtract 3. So we will do 2 up, 5 up. Now I'm taking back this 2. Now I'm making 5 in my tool. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to subtract 4. To subtract 4, I will do 1 up, 5 up. So this is about plus 5 and minus 5's complement. Now let us understand how to do a problem using plus 5 and minus 5 complement. Addition and subtraction using plus 5 and minus 5's complement. Sorry. Addition and subtraction using plus 5 and minus 5 complement. So example 3, 2, 1, then minus 4. So let us see what is the answer for this. 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 4. So I'm making a 3 in my tool. I'm adding 2. To add 2, I will use 5 plus 5 complement. So what I will make use of here? Plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3. I'm adding 1 directly. So 1 can be added directly. So I'm adding 1 directly. Now I want to subtract 4. So to subtract 4, I will use minus 5's complement. So it will be plus 1 minus 5. So it is plus 1 minus 5. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 4 gives you the answer as 2. This is one example I solved using plus 5 and minus 5's complement. So this is how we have to solve the problem. I hope you have understood the concept of addition and subtraction using plus 5 and minus 5's complement. Thank you.